In this tutorial, I'm going to tell you how to run PHP code on Visual Studio Code. First, you have XAMPP and Visual Studio Code. You have to download it. This I have already downloaded. So go to C folder, and I have downloaded here XAMPP and then htdoc. So double click on this and make a folder here. Right click here and new, and then folder. So this folder I am writing here Educator Academy. Open this folder and right click here and then again new and then txt file. So this is my file. Now I am changing the extension of this file. So I am writing here first.php. Now right click on this file and open with Visual Studio Code. So this is open now. So go toward the file and then save as. So now I want to change the extension. So I want to change extension of PHP. So this is my first and the next this is my extension and then save. So this is my PHP file has been created. Now write a simple PHP code. So I want to echo and then printing a line, hello Educator Academy. So I want to print this line in PHP file to check whether it is running or not. So close this loop in PHP. So this is my simple PHP code. So again toward the start of window and then search here XAMPP and then open this. Open machine. So this is my so click the patches start and this has been my machine that has been started right now, and for checking the PHP file. So again move toward the Google Chrome and write here localhost. So when you set this, so localhost machine has been opened and it will automatically prove that our work is working correctly. So I am copying this folder path Educator Academy. This is my folder, and then right here localhost and localhost with the folder name Educator Academy, and then write the file name first.php and then click. So this is not opening because I haven't saved my PHP code. So let's go to the Visual Studio Code software. Let me see. Visual Studio Code software, where is this is here, and then go to the file and then click save. So now it has been saved. Now then refresh this, you can see it, hello Educator Academy. This is opening now. Again I want to write little bit more lines. So I'm writing here subscribe to my channel. So I want also print this. So this is echo. I am printing this. So I want to save this file and go to the Google Chrome and refresh this hello Educator Academy and subscribe to my channel. PHP file is running correctly, so subscribe to my channel for more setup of video. Thanks.